Thank you all. I'm sure we're going to start now. Just a little interruption there, but that's okay. We will get everything done according to plan. I hope my volume is good. I hope my volume is quite good. So as you join, you invite friends. Let's get started. And good day, all of you. Thank you for joining. We will just spill the platform a little bit before we hit up so that nobody misses on anything. When you join, you have the responsibility to type one word. Type, we need unity. That's the first thing that you should type. We need unity. Everybody that's joining, you type, we need unity. We need unity. It's going to be an extraordinary show today. And, we're following up very closely what's happening. And everybody who is joining, you type, we need unity. Type, we need unity as many as 2 billion times. Put it on there, pin it on the screen, because you and I, we have the power to decide what happens in this revolution. The power is in our hands. It's not in the hands of the leaders. It's not in the hands of the IG. It's not in the hands of the ARCC. It's in our hands. So you have to type, we need unity, we need unity, we need unity, we need unity, we need unity. Everybody, when you join, you share this link widely to all your contacts, because today is going to be a turning point in this revolution. We have only one way out of this struggle. And so everybody who is joining, you type, we need unity, we need unity, we need unity, we need unity. That is what you have to type. It has to be a kind of sing bear, It has to be, you ring it very hard in the heads of our leaders. We need unity. Anybody who is joining this show, that's what you type into today. We need unity. Anybody. If you're joining, whether you are IG supporter, ARC supporter, or you are Tiger or Vipers, just type, we need unity. We need unity. That's what you should type today. Today we're not going to talk any other thing but what you've seen there, and I'm going to be talking and putting my stance clear on this struggle today. And you have to type, we need unity. Everybody who is joining, you invite friends. Let's get this message loud and clear. I also congratulate Dr. Ayaba Cho, on certain issues. I will talk about my new stance with the IG. I will talk about the invisible appointments of Dr. Ayaba Cho, Akwanga, and Bo, or comrades, into the IG. I will send my congratulating note to the ARCC chair. And then, of course, finally, I will talk about Pyrrhic victory. I'm sure most of you must have read that already, because I particularly insisted that we should, we should probably get it done the right way. So you type, we need unity, we need unity, we need unity. And we need unity. That is what you have to talk, you have to preach today. Everybody who is here, type, we need unity. Emma, don't worry about Siri. Don't worry about Siri. Okay, just typing, we need unity. People like that, they are like agents from the Republic. They always come to distract. If not, how would a person come online? The first thing, instead of talking, we need unity, you're talking about somebody's suit. It's crazy, because of course you want to understand that coming in a live show as important as this, I will know what color of suit to choose. This is green, and you know what what green stands for. Green stands for what? It stands for peace. That is why I choose this color. And I also put it on a white shirt to tell you about purity. All of this will bring us unity. So if you want to know the meaning, Siri, I think I've explained that to you. So don't worry about that, all right? So everybody type, we need unity. We need unity. We need unity. And forget about people who will come online today to distract us. Type, I'm watching, type your location. I'm watching from this place, and type, we need unity. Tell IG, we need unity. ARCC, we need unity. That is the message. I'm going to hit on soon as we have a considerable viewership. We're going to hit on. So invite friends and bring everybody, share to everybody, because this is what we need at this time. It's going to be a fantastic show today. And I want to make very clear points to Comrade Dr. Ayaba Cho Lucas. I want to make clear points to the IG. I want to define my stance. I'll also call out my other brothers who are activists, and I could not have written everything on the screen, but I think the little things I've written, we're going to talk from there, and we'll expand on others, and we'll definitely make sure that no matter what happens, we'll get unity as much as we get them. So Mami and Padre for Grand Zero, today will be a special day. So anybody who will join, only the type, we need unity. We need unity. We need unity. That is the message. Because without unity at this juncture, we are finished, completely finished. So we will forget about people who come online to disturb us, we will forget about them today, but at the point we're going to touch them when it is relevant. But for today, we need unity. And I want to say this. And I'm going to say it very clearly. For those of you who are joining, please, when you come, you invite friends, you share very widely. Let's get this show on and up and up and up. All right? Oh, my God. You know, we always have fake profiles like that who will come, that their lifetime is to make sure that they cause distraction on social media. We know them. We already know them. So what they say doesn't matter. They create stories about people. It's either they say that you are this, or you are that, or you are a criminal, or you are a scammer, or you are HIV positive. That is what some of those fake profiles, that's all what they know. Trying to give people names on things that don't exist. So when you join, say you're watching from this place, I'm watching from like my friend Tambia Thomas, who, is watching from Italy, you type, we need unity. Everybody who is coming online, type, we need unity before I start the show. Now, I'm going to start because we cannot wait for everybody to come. Others will be coming, they'll be joining us. And I want to say this very, very clean and clear, that you've read my post advertising this show. It was clear. And I want to tell people that do not misinterpret me. Listen to me very attentively. I'm going to tell everybody today that there is only one solution to this problem. And you and I, as Ambazonians, we have the responsibility. Please, when you join, you share. We have the responsibility to make sure that we put the deadlock to an end. And how do we do it? We have to do it this way. We do it this way because it is exactly the right way to do. And the only way out is unity. I will tell you something. I want to first and foremost seize this opportunity to congratulate everybody. All Ambazonians have been exceptionally well. I want to congratulate especially Comrade Ayabacho Lucas, who has been doing a tremendous job on the ground. I want to congratulate the IG, who the IG has also been doing a tremendous job. I want to congratulate you. I want to congratulate you followers who have been sharing this post to go wide so that people can get some sense behind what we try to say. And I will say a couple of things here. And of course, people will understand only one thing. That at the end of the day, we want to go to one place, and that is Buea. And how do we get to Buea? Do we get to Buea through some uncoordinated division of labor? No, it's never going to work. And I want us to dust our palms, look at our consciences, put ourselves in the positions of those on ground zero. This issue is so huge that a lot of people don't want to accept the truth. And when we don't accept the truth, there is no way we're going to forge ahead. When a brother makes a mistake, tap the brother. Sometimes you can come public to say the things that are right. Sometimes you can go to them privately. I go to everybody privately. Today is a day of reckoning, and I want to put some sense into the heads of my brothers of Ambazonia. We have to talk to our consciences because times have changed. Everything is changing, and we want to avoid a Pyrrhic victory. What is a Pyrrhic victory? Most of you must have heard that. As soon as the audience build, I'm going to start defining from there, and then we move from there. You know, I will tell us a story. From 22nd September, there was a peaceful protest, a couple of clashes and stuff like that. First of October, the protest was also peaceful, only with peace plans. Yet they still killed us. Yes, they did. La Republic killed people on the street only with peace plans. And what happened? Did these people hold guns and stuff? No, our people did not. They simply killed them, which means that La Republic is endemic in killing innocent people. That is what they do. So some people want to argue that whether or not we have these our self-defense groups on the ground doing what they're doing, they will still come and kill our people. No. The truth is that we must know what to say, and we must know the truth to tell our leaders, because what is necessary is the fact that we have refused, to accept the realities on the ground. We have refused to see reason and to open our consciences to people who try to tell the truth. The problem is not about sabotaging people or groups. It's about making people to understand. Those of us on social media, I want to tell people that we have the propensity, we have that strength to change this revolution. Those of us in the diaspora, the ground zero depends on us. And of course, the key, the fuel, the power of this struggle is on ground zero. And we in the diaspora, for those of us in the diaspora, we have to coordinate ourselves to make sure that we give ground zero the much needed energy and strength to hold on to this struggle. Now, we are not giving ground zero that strength. We are not giving ground zero the hope. We are failing to tell ground zero to give them informed choices. Ground zero needs us because we are in a position where we are liberal. We are not actually liberal. We are free to talk to the world. We have that power to make people to know our problems. But we have failed. Listen very attentively. I want to tell you today, point blank, and I will say it loud and clear, that the approach of I applaud our self-defense groups. They are doing a wonderful job. But the approach is wrong now, at this time. I mean, I'm telling you to your faces that the approach of all our self-defense groups, the leaders who head self-defense group, the approach is absolutely wrong. Whether or not you want it, this is the time for us to preach the truth and call for unity. Because the reason why Comrade Ayabacho is going left, the IG is right, this one is east, is because you and I, we have failed in our duty of making them to have a conscience talk, to put them on the track. Let me tell you something. When I said that people should look up the meaning of Pyrrhic victory, I know a lot of people have looked up the meaning of Pyrrhic victory. Most people should understand something. Listen, I cry every day because you don't know. You only come and comment on Facebook. You only make noise on Facebook. You only report that I have killed 2 billion soldiers. My sister, my brother, let them change this game and rebuild Kwakwa and take the situation of Kwakwa and put in your village. Imagine that was your village that was destroyed. Or when they kill your brother, like your direct brother, you will understand what some people are saying on the ground. It's not that they cannot keep doing a revolution, but we have to minimize our casualties. Pyrrhic victory is that kind of victory that even when you must have won, the defeat, the success is the defeat, the losses that you have faced is far more than the achievement. So you actually have not, you have actually, in essence, what I'm trying to say is that we can have a Pyrrhic victory in Southern Cameroon whereby we will finally have independence and then we'll have stones as civilians, because by then La Republic would have killed everybody. That is not what we want. And that's what you people have refused to tell our leaders, that we have to re-strategize. What is the problem of re-strategizing when something is not going right? Yes, on the 1st of October, La Republic shot people on the street. They continued later, but it was not as brutal as when they started killing gendarmes and running into the bushes. We thought that when we kill gendarmes, or 2-3 gendarmes, some people thought that when we kill 2-3 gendarmes and run into the bushes, the gendarmes will go and look for people in the bushes because they will not attack civilians. But no, the gendarmes, the military changed. They refused that. No, if you kill somebody in Kembong, they have to burn the whole of Kembong. So we have known that if you attack a policeman in Ambo, they'll burn Ambo down. Why do you still go and attack the policeman? Because the police people, they are not trained. They don't care about looking for who has shot the policeman and ran into the bushes. They are looking for the people who are Anglophones to beat and destroy their property. Why are we not conscientious enough to accept this fact that the approach is wrong? That approach is wrong. I'm talking to you like brothers and sisters, that we should put ourselves in the position of those old women who are in the bushes. Look at how people sleep. Is that how it's supposed to be? People refuse every day, self-defense, or foot soldiers, this, that. They will contribute, fund this. It is wrong. We must sit back on the drawing board to try to recalculate. People need to know exactly. We must change this strategy. It's no longer working. And then, listen, we have lost. They have killed our people. We are supposed to announce this to the international community. People are dying. People's houses have been burnt down. Look at the story I just published about Muna going to Kembong. Muna is a traitor, no doubt. But he went to Kembong. It was an important move because he has exposed it to the world. He has corroborated the article that the bishop published long time ago. Imagine a population of 5,000-6,000 people. Only 60 people, my God. And you people are still saying that we are winning, brothers. What kind of victory is that victory, not Pyrrhic victory? Not be Pyrrhic victory that when man can turn us in a black leg, now this, wait until I speak. Wait until I speak. Because the thing hurt me right from my heart. And if I not talk, I will die. People that look at Bole, look at Eboa Bakundu, look at Zipenda Bakundu, Kwakwa, look at places in counties in Bello. Look at Samsoya. Look at this. Look at Kajifu. Look at Dadi. All these villages. I mean, look at Ambu, Gufen, Kugwe. Look at Bemeda. They have started shooting guns. Go down to Kwano. Look at all those villages. Our people are being terrorized. Listen, I want to say this. We must change this strategy. We must change this strategy. We must change this strategy. There is no way we are going to succeed with this kind of approach. I'm telling you the truth, my brothers. We must change this strategy. We will support self-defense. Everybody must come together. We must have a good coordination. If we don't, we will never succeed. I'm telling you, listen, they have killed our people in their thousands. Look at Atanga Jimpo. He came and announced only the deaths of soldiers. He did not talk about civilians. But why is it that we are instead announcing the deaths of soldiers? We are talking every day. We have killed 100. We have killed 20, we have killed 30, we have killed 80. When I talk about my sister, Akosin Pauline Jale, that I was going to ban Amber News, that was a literal kind of way of putting something that she needs caution. And you people have that responsibility to caution my sister Akosin. We all have that responsibility. I don't have no power to ban any man on social media. First and foremost, I don't block nobody. How was it possible that I'm going to ban somebody? It's just something to use your brain. By simple fact that social media is free, it means I cannot ban somebody. I was actually telling you that there was going to be caution. Caution is doing a tremendous job. But we have to watch out the way we report things. Okay, imagine, since with due respect to her work, I actually love what she does. Everybody is doing a wonderful job. A very perfect job. But look at, from the beginning of this crisis, put everything together. Look at the number of people, the number of soldiers that some activists have been reporting that they have killed. I want to use my sister Akosin as an example. You report they have killed 30 soldiers since from starting October 1st. They have killed 20. They have killed 80. They have killed 120 in Dadi. They killed whether it's 100 in Kimbo. They killed this one in Sanagarati. They killed 100 in Gufen. They killed 70 in Ambo. They killed this. When you put all of those figures together, if you put all of those figures together, by Akosin's report, it will mean that we have killed like 3,000 soldiers. Look, I want people to be realistic, because people report, they forget that every day is going and those numbers are accumulating. Those lies that we tell, they're accumulating, and people can begin to draw. People can begin to draw. We have to be my brothers and sisters. I'm not out to discredit any activist. It's just that sometimes we have to be very honest in order to get the things done. We have to be very straightforward. We have to change our approach. I beg una. They will kill all we. Imagine to it happen for Kwakwa, if it happen for your village. I beg, where people they die. Mami then dey for bush. Rain they come, they not get houses. Every reverend father if you run Kembong half of civilian. I dey ask una the question. How much of civilian? You go want me imagine say one Jew, we don't even know say Jew there. Why would God go take one Jew, kidnap one Jew, then bring and then they can burn 18 villages? That will not be victory. Not be victory that. Make no man no fool. I respect Ayabacho all my blood. I respect all man for this trouble. But if we, me and you, will no one call people out for put them for that chair. I talk about my brother Mark. I call all my name. I know that kind of activist where you can make less or other activists not be important. Like how Mark try for downplay J Car for a post. Say it's not somebody that we should mention the name. That is bullshit. I wanna know even caution Mark. Why you downplay J Car? How better are you than J Car? That's the problem. He's a significant figure who is also helping the struggle. We have to give everybody due respect. I call everybody. If I've even called this useless Susie Spark for my war, why not call the man to do a good job? Mark Barita is a wonderful fighter. We know that, all of us. But sometimes, we have to call people to book. One of the reasons why we get we get for this situation where we confused about unity now become Mark never take a stand. Mark they play two-side callers. And all no. I don't know what I say now which kind of brainwash when I get on Facebook. When I know I come. I need to criticize nobody, please. I'm talking about unity and I'm talking about sequence of things. I'm talking about not criticize nobody. I've said everybody's doing a great job. Not get me wrong, I beg you. Not get me wrong. Mark they play two-side callers. Mark nothing the talk say collaboration, the RCC is this, is a council. No, that is wrong. That is pure nonsense. We need for re-strategize. At the time Mark said, Barita, stop this Sunday offering because tomorrow they will accuse you so you don't chop money and you don't get defense. Just as they accuse Tapang. Every Tapang will move from one financial scandal to another, but they need green learn sense. Every day some person will say, oh, you jealous Mark and Tapang. I jealous them how? I was jealous Mark, they can't defend it all time. For telling the man I'm a classmate, I know it. If you coach me all kind of for Facebook, no active, nothing ever can defend me. Because for them, their Instagram, they coach active, but they can't defend them. So, if we talk about the fact, say, we need for continue for foot soldiers. No. Why would Cliffman, individual, I not get problem with Mark collecting money, it's not my business. But individual, this thing is Southern Cameroon struggle. So one man will collect money, the one man, he do program, he take money, he write the money, he take the money, he bank the money, he transfer the money, he receive acknowledgement you want. Master, now come, when I open the item, when I don't, when I smoke, how is this struggle going? and nobody sees anything wrong in that. We just be, we just be so funny. Listen, we respect Mark as much as you respect me. You respect Tapang, everybody. All these are names you must call as much as you respect Komara Yabacho. But say the truth, because we don't reach your stage. Listen, the level for the casualty. I mean the collateral damages. We'll get on the phone, my brother and sister. It be too huge way. Sometimes they fear for publish on them. It's too much. They don't kill people in thousands. They don't jail enough. Only the number of refugees in Nigeria, it get for ring your best people to suffer. Forget all the Facebook showbiz. I don't tell. Listen, we must change approach. Komara Yabacho and the rest of the people then. We need the only thing we as activism we need to do now. We must call them to order. Say we need unity. If we not get unity, this is not private talk, bro. Because all this talk we don't talk about any work. So sometimes we go help out on our voices. I stand on the absolute principle of total unity, undiluted collaboration. If we not get that, we will not ever succeed. We will not ever succeed. We will not feel they do hit and run for our territory. You kill 2 gendarmes for Kembong, they burn the whole village. You do this for Kwakwa, they burn the whole village. No, hit and run. Why you don't deal and say some strategy need work, you get for change them. We feel only fight for our territory when we do as a group. As a group, we go fight, and then we stand, okay, we'll go for a cock now. Now, for capture a cock, we'll get soldiers and we'll get weapons. We must get this thing there. We must get the independence, but we'll not get and we all man don't die. We'll go for a cock, we'll fight, fine, we'll send those soldiers out. If they kill people, they don't kill, I will not say that collateral damage, but we don't get that territory. You understand? We don't get that territory. We'll fight to get Kembong. We also don't drive soldiers out of Kembong. They don't kill all man. They will announce it. Which victory? Which victory? Why the action now? Which victory? We don't win with. We don't get nothing. They don't kill it completely. People for Ground Zero, they be determined for fight to the last. They be determined for fight to the last. But we fail them because we don't get coordination. They be listen. La Republic is doing weaken their spirit strategy. Kill all man. They shoot. I mean, they kill people, not be joke. They kill people. But no, we're there for Facebook here. My brother Tapang, I tell you the other day, say, Tapang, let's be honest. Tapang be confused. He be confused. Now, by that way, imagine, say, an activist like Tapang will get Women's Day boycott. He announcer, Mark Oma announcer. Then Tapang now, you will see this other useless girl, this ugly girl, he go get my sister, they get mustache, beautiful mustache, like mustache woman, but not be Susie Park. Wait, Susie Park, one a hemophrodite, or which kind of person, or not another kind of person. That is one of the highest Facebook accounts and where they disturb this struggle. Yet you Tapang they do Facebook romance with Susie Park. Even some other people they claim for support ARC, they do Facebook romance with Susie Park. You go call out on Franklin Njome when another mysterious character for La Republic where they talk against struggle. We not go last Franklin Njome because it is given a shit. But when Richard Susie Park, Tapang go play romance. Imagine the disgrace where Tapang disgrace himself. Say we talk about Women's Day boycott. Susie Park go Women's Day go snap picture, put her for Facebook. Tapang don't go to comment under the laugh. Now man that we call for boycott. That Tapang is headed normal. But when I see nothing about that one. For when I been a normal thing, when some man got on and say they criticize Tapang, you the jealousy Tapang for waiting. For which reason? That's what I'm asking. For push some man for track. I got the jealousy man I can't give. How many times I don't write about Tapang? Not be pretense now because that's how I feel about my brother. You understand? So when I just look teaching it's a normal thing then. Tapang the after Tapang dead for me, I look at Tapang as a friend, but to say Tapang sometimes you are for any other thing other than the independence of this Southern Cameroons. Because Tapang a man for showbiz. Okay, look Tapang for show how unstable Tapang be. ARCC is power mongering. It's a power monger. Is this as soon as they make Comrade Jennifer a cheerleader, Tapang don't go take screenshots them for the woman how they discuss. Can put on Facebook. He go snap picture. Tapang will be talking about that woman. You know, Tapang will be talking. Tapang will show himself. Say he don't chat with the person. He know the person. Now showbiz boy. But I need to see that thing. When I start back criticizing Tapang, they criticize Tapang for waiting. One or not talk true sometimes. We have some man we don't talk all about. Don't simply change because they don't say some picture that is now the woman. Man show po they say me I be Tapang, I be popular man. We don't need to see nothing. So person will come for Facebook. You can't talk about followers. I will can't display my followers. I have a lot of them. Followers, not followers, bring man for this trouble. Followers not be anything. Not be followers go give you money for put up for your bank account. Not be followers go do something for you. Not feed your picking them. You understand? If at all we want really know say this struggle will proceed, we must change strategy. We must sometimes name our friend and our brother and say, brother, stop this thing, you don't do the wrong thing. Not attack a dictator. You know this, but you see, Tapang they do romance with Susie Spark for maximum terms, but now the worst enemy that for this struggle. So which side we Tapang they gonna talk on the truth? Which side we Tapang? We have to put all these things on the seat. The key people when I praise Comrade Ayaba, he don't do a good job, but we get for change strategy. When I ask yourself, when I talk about the invisible appointment for Comrade Ayaba, I want to know. I've talked with everybody with Seseko, all these leaders, but I usually just stay because I try to understand their view. I'll be one activist where it don't be consistent in preaching unity, and I'm not going to change. Where to be so difficult for Comrade Ayaba and the rest, and for work with the IG. As I talk now, some summit there for America, they call and say the all self-defense summit where all Comrade Ayaba, they don't receive invitation. I wait for see whether at the end of the day they will be for attendance. Now IG call that conference. I want to see whether Comrade Ayaba and Akwanga, all the other self-defense, they will attend them. You know, I want to see why they will attend them. When Secretary Chris can't talk the truth, some other people will go, they will make noise here, like this Cyril Nancy, in a person way, now some very useless ghost profile. Where you behave so not so be human being, you will be so callous, be useless for your real life. You go attack Secretary Chris. Secretary Chris is not a perfect person, but he speaks a lot. He speaks volume about the truth. Bro, we must change our own strategy. Not be about what has this man done or what has that man done. Now about the truth where our people need a bakery. We must come together. We must when some man not follow some man like a group pie. You follow man blindly, uncritically, you do mistake, no answer. When Mark do mistake, tell Mark say me, every time I want to say me Mark stop Sunday offering because he go kill him. Now Sunday offering go twist him. Why one man will take do program, take money, register money, do this all money, then take and divide them. If Mark, for example, he do some fake acknowledgement, saying that he put the game, how you go do no? I want to ask you. Who be commander of Tiger? Who be this, who be that, who be that? How if you account for that money? That money not be marked in money. Now you contribute, and if you don't contribute for that particular program, now Amazon your money. The reason why sometimes I feel say we don't want be together. We don't want probably be together because we feel say if we get one central coffers, we know if we get means of the touch money. Now the impression that to give people because if we get some coffers, we all money to go there. If it be say Mark not get interest or money. Why it be say Barita not talk okay no more put all the money for na account you get for be na account will be coded not be some money account. We got to stop all these things, change approach because we the key people them for Ganzo when they take and make showbiz on Facebook. Anytime I want to talk the truth, I can't attack me. When I look me, they say they even care about those comments they want to make. Because at the end of the day, when all those comments come, you will still come out to be the fact that the fact is the fact. The fact cannot change. Facts don't lie, like we will say. The facts don't lie. No, Mark Barita is not a thief. I'm talking to this fake profile now where they call Mark thief. No, Mark is not. He will never be. No ever talk that kind of thing about some activity. I not accept. Even when some other one they used to call it Nina Namundo because they attack Bala, I be defend Bala, but I like Bala his stance, no. But not talk lie about person because he not take opportunity for my show because if he said talk about Mark and the way they for change his strategy, I need insult Mark. Not take and start insult. He say his Barita is not a thief. He is not. He will never be. Tapang is not. People might have circumstances. Don't take advantage. You can't insult person for my post. I don't want that kind of thing. I not be that kind of person. I'm the only activist way it go say from today to tomorrow. I go defend all man because you don't get right for the attack activists. The reason why you see all these fake profiles they can't attack him man because the other activists they can't support. When you can't talk, they can't like him. How you go like caution, the caution when I like caution, you know. Why? How Susie Spark will be against trouble? Tapang will do Facebook romance with you. Tapang is the most confused. My brother, baby, so confused. But I need to say, I'm saying, why you go for jealous on person? Say me and Tapang will for which level for comparison? Would you compare for waiting for Facebook? Now, what's the reason? Why I want to bring people that will talk to you and not get for talk? Why? Why will not be understand anything about conscience? Listen, I want to talk this talk. See, me all self-defense group therefore down for organization. Me they stop any attack on any shandam, any further. Me no man not do them until they re-strategize. Me they re-strategize. Me they come together. They give command. Tapang my brother, they call his name. I know that kind of man where they make they say some man not be important because according to them, if they not call my name, the man not be popular. Now Tapang a conspiracy theory that he used to make this small activist. He be that's the question to ask. Which probably fishing man get on Tapang? Tapang is so confused. Tapang so be he gets some conspiracy theory the way una not the one understand. I dey put it for seat and anytime I will be ready for reply any man. Tapang will come and talk about division of labor. Perfect idea. But look at Tapang is so canny. You talk about division of labor. Listen, no, all these things we are talking, I think the way enemy don't put we into. I need insult no man. I try to make sure say we make sure say we put on track. Tapang is so confused. He comes to talk about division of labor. Instead of preach unity through that division of labor, it's make like say LF and Bike, one man they in charge of Boyo, one man they in charge of Manu, some people they carry clap. Now the most foolish talk I don't ever hear from my life. So man talk about division of labor, then forget about the fact saying if Tapang not stupid, he not be confused. Move go for division labor except for primary school. Look at only at secondary school, look at manual labor, where labor prefer to do this thing. Now who you divide portions? Now how do you divide portion for people students? You must get one man with more central. Any organization, anything, you must get some central command. Division labor comes from the command. So you go clear from 2, you go clear from 3, you go for principal's block, you go for dining room, you go for library. National division labor that. So man the way after all man don't finish, that man will take pen cam, call name, Cyril Nancy, present. Where is your portion? In Macam. That portion be good. That's supervising. There must be a general supervisor. Tapang face. If he say talk, then the young man is so canny. Any type of confused now, I can't debunk him because Tapang he will only remain relevant. Me be relevant for the right thing, not the being conspiracy theory for confused people. Unani see no way won't talk. You know, you some people go say, oh, you talk because you jealous Tapang, especially that stupid to his part. A girl will get mustache like he go carry make nonsense all the time. You take picture here, put here, do this. You need that doesn't affect me. No way. You know, I look as I be man way, I be comment proofed. You know, I notice and say, I need come and need touch me. If you like 2 billion comment on my post, but I know so which I don't talk about the truth, it don't remember for the I will not. I need to not comment. You know, come on. How would you remain for the kind of level, the same place all the time because people them activists that they can't confuse with. Okay, ask yourself why Tapang, this very Tapang who can do say joint statement between Barita, Akosin, and himself. Then they joint statement they only for a war, and he write all thing a fast, na dream. Say Women's Day was completely boycotted. You did lie with them. Women's Day was good everywhere in Southern Cameroon because the approach was wrong. You know, you can't talk about Women's Day, congratulate people, they boycott Women's Day, you can't laugh with man when not boycott Women's Day. Why be so confused? They want to need Siam for caution this boy. Tapang I want report they destroy this struggle. And I will talk to you, we will talk, say, when you talk about something, Tapang will say empty verses make a lie, but that is different for some bad way do am any talk that time. That time just don't quite because the benefit, I know take that shit. I know take that shit. We must make sure. So we put ourselves on track. Any man, Bala be so popular, Ego Federation will push Bala under the box. Bala is doing well, doing his things very well. You know, you know that everything has changed. You know, we must tell the truth. There is no way you can't conspiracy to talk about LF and talk about this. You confuse you. So if they talk say, me go market go buy foolish people, you can't buy Ambazonians. See another thing we talk about why you need to be important. Look at the strike with IG. IG weak, no doubt. So man, all man not strong. Even me are weak. You don't know my weaknesses. We not the name more thing for you. Look at some other girl they call now wait see whether the girl I don't forget her name. I'm a member her name because one at the all man in place a pride of place. Okay, Vivian VY with ARCC. She went to somewhere one at Congress. It go stand for corridor them. He snap picture. They play snap picture. Say then can post and say I was in a meeting with statement. I was talking on behalf of this, behalf of Ambazonia. That is bullshit. How it be say IG don't go conference for Senate for all this while then some other group just come go Senate. You know say IG don't end for outside. You go introduce a new thing, then those senators of America they'll probably saw the joke. Besides, you do not even go, you do not have any meeting. Congress now play with any man from America to go there. If you go take picture, if a man say go for White House, you go get for White House, they snap picture. White man they pass, policeman they pass will dock, they salute you. Hey, how you doing, man? Have a nice time. Then you come to take that kind of propaganda can't give product for Facebook. It's be too poor. At the appeal on Ayabacho and the rest of Ayabacho and the rest of the self-defense group and say we need proper re-strategizing. We will not continue the way. It's so bad. You see, now very bad. If man not telling the truth, but we need we know. I swear. I mean, say they don't devastate our communities. They don't devastate devastate our communities completely. I be so frightened. I be so frightened. Yes, that girl in a mom CV or something, that's how they call her. You know to do propaganda at that level. You know, I beg. Now unity will need them. Una no go support ARC or IG. Call these guys and make they come together. When imagine the day will announce coalition, say, hey, IG, ARC, they don't come as a group together. We get one IG. The Republic go peace. That time when they want to fight, we put that money. We not even for the fear of time, so they buy weapon. They buy weapon for defend ourselves. We buy weapon. We go see a cocker. We kill all that soldier and send them out of a cocker. We announce that all our civilians they come out. We take the soldier and kill them, host for a flag. Now so they do self-defense. You need to do self-defense. You shoot one and then they can't kill people. No, we get for change jam. We get for change jam. For now, I don't propose AIC. I won't beg because me I know. IG don't reach out to Ayabacho, to Akwanga, to Komorebo, severally. But these people, they reject the appointment. They only want and I say, oh no, they must be for head. We don't want to be for head again. Not at all. We want a unity. We not want something where some person who can say they're better than this person. At the back, me, Dr. Sako can't talk clear. Call these people out. They say they beg them, they come. Me talk and me we hear. Dr. Sako, if comrades, Akwanga, there is a get problem with the regime, now new man is why you not embrace the people. You must only one being as the museum now. I talk about the ARCC in Chokanda or what you call and say, oh, Kokoriko. It takes me for another topic for congratulate Comrade Jennifer. But for tell you, say, me, I will tell you the truth about the dynamics of this whole game. You know, oh, Kokoriko, what you call and say in Chokanda, now that juju way, you know, for Christmas time, picking that they go inside, they dance for go big money. That's what they call that juju, oh, Kokoriko. I want to make a me Jennifer know, say, all man know. Say, it be just some new rapper for that juju. They put the dance inside, they see they the same people. Because if you look the irony, where Comrade Ayaba and the rest then, they say, no, I did a newcomer, they want these, they not do election. Okay, sister way Comrade Ayaba, they Europe. I don't know whether Jennifer did in America on our side. They will not see no meeting, nothing, they just don't appoint person. That will not be any problem. But that is not what we want now. We don't want all these appointments of appointment. We want unity. I the support today. I won't give my total consent to unity and move a step further. I know they play these two games, no. Now why I tell my brother Max, he might be careful. Politics not there for the team. Not the make so because one hang on self-defense. That means only do Sunday offering, it be wrong. We must be very realistic. You know, we must be very realistic. The only way, my volume is low. The only way we will succeed now for change strategy. And if we not change this strategy, they will continue to kill all our people so FIP. They will kill all our people so FIP. All man will die. But we don't deny for see the truth. No time, no day for the revolution. Where I don't preach any time. You know. I see some comment here. What's that? Why it's not important. No time, no day we will come for the revolution. Remember for this stage, we will not make sure so we change strategy. The strategy will get on the ground, it don't fail. Now we're gonna Pyrrhic victory. They don't kill the victory. We don't kill how many gendarmes, but they suffering don't negate. Me say they wait to we don't suffer 10 billion times. The losses will like Republic don't suffer. Don't not ever talk to distress the occupier and a lie. We distress the residents. Not be the annexationist. No. Beyond not get no problem with our approach. Beyond not get no one eye problem. We distress our own people. If we want to hit and run, we feel cross of Mongo. So if you hit one gendarme or two gendarmes around New Bern or around Bonaberi or somewhere for south, you enter inside some area, cartel you lost. We will see whether the Republic will go burn its own place. They not go burn them. But for our own place, the strategy of you do not say, no go kill no person. Destroy nothing that they give la Republic power for get money. Any man disobey goes down. I don't know we talk about AIC. I go stick on you for talking. Like when we talk Women's Day, say me people not go Women's Day. Just find some key women there. They go Women's Day. Where they disobey Women's Day. Where you go arrest them. They pass them for court. They cut their hands, send them back. Like this is back there. Just cut it 200. Now self-defense because you need help for give power. You know, you need help for give power for occupier. But we not fit go to key people they run. And then, you know, When you want to talk, people they say no, oh, you not get for talk so, you not get for do so. No. At the back, I dey on my knees. Say I beg comrade Ayaba, Akwanga and the rest. Now we get self-defense summit waiting for America now. They go on now. I want to know what comrade Ayaba will attend. I need for them for attend for see what will happen. Because people need to understand. We get for be very honest and realistic. We get for stop all this blame game and come together as a team. I go to talking about this very significant thing. This AIC. Then say me go kill Chu Gendarme. Just go take some delegate away disobey ghost town. Go for a house, go take it. Go cut his hand, leave it back, bring it for society. He no go again. If delegate no go work, gendarme no get power, money no day. No go to kill gendarme. You don't need you. If you take this primary school teacher, you cut his hand, where disobey, say respect this. Last time I talk for say they'll cut him upon the disrespect law. I never talk about school student or school picking. As this foolish guy, as ugly as he be, this is his back. He go talk say I told him the court school picking the hand. You see, people they be so that whole time a lie they lie. So man will do live video, talk some particular thing, you go change them because I want talk to way. So I might not watch live video, Mr. Believe to a talk no. I go still repeat them, and I want to be quoted anywhere. Say we did for self-defense, and one way for we forget self-defense. Now for make sure say. Now what is now what's that thing? Now for make sure say we defend our land, and the only way for defend our land, now we go kill them. Now for cut the resources the way they give government power. No way, no day. You see how some person they come defense to this park. When a person they say they fight for independence, but it romance who person they insult the very essence for independence. You know. No, please. This is not terrorism, my brother. I want to be quoted anywhere. Say if government don't declare war on the people, and if government really declare war on the people, and the only way for you to know one thing, I say when they don't declare war, now two-sided, one come and the other person is your enemy. I consider it as an enemy. Government are be any man with the work of be na your enemy, because now then they give the government the power for buy equipment for can kill you. So for one way for defend yourself, for preemptive self-defense, now for make sure say make you cut the source where they give government power for buy weapon can kill you. Not be terrorism. No, not be terrorism. Go read the meaning of terrorism very well. Terrorism said mostly be applied for government. Government are Bia the carry terrorism act against we for Southern Cameroon. Now Bia the carry terrorism act against we. Now why that way we must unite? Today, I want to say that no matter what you did, look how people they comment. Say this one will ever come under any other group. No, not be waiting that one talk. One talk now so we get unity. And any man, no man of umbrella some man completely. All man a big man. But come together and work as a team. We need that unity. We need them very badly. And only that particular thing we will make sure say we get them. If we not achieve unity, Master, we not achieve unity, we don't make sure we don't destroy ourselves forever. We not ever think say if this struggle fail, what we go do? If this struggle fail, how we go do? Ask yourself that question. We must, as a matter of urgency, preach for all these groups to come together. When I be put my post about this live show, I see put the guy in so you want to do the Eric Tato, you are this. I just laugh because you don't read which way right or right. You won't interpret from me. I talk about invisible appointment. That was a strategic statement, a phrase I made. I talk about pyrrhic victory. I talk about this and that, and I've said all those things here. You know, we get to make sure. See, when our activists they make mistake, we'll bring them back to book. Some person write say, Mark and Tapang no ever call all my name. This is because they pretend. If you write something where they relate to some person, me say for call my name, me I only say more call the name out. Where you talk something way to whom it may concern, all man know when you talk to that person. Defamation only mean I say more call my name. For example, if I say the husband of the state council of Manu is a criminal, I don't need for call the husband in name. If I say the husband or the wife of the state council of Indian is a fool, I don't even call the state council name. So long as if we get all man and state, if only one state council marry for them, me say they talking about that man, they talking about a woman. Now defamation that. So defamation only mean I say lawyers they will tell you more. You know, I say more call my name. So not text it because you not call my name, make you mature. That one a pretense for make you won't always put yourself in a position like big boy. No, big boy not there for this thing. You know, we get for stop hit and run. It need the help. The reason why we fail now because say people they fight for left, right, no coordination. We never know plan of action for table. We need to put ourselves together. We know say this day na this play one capture. IG disburse money for Ayabacho. IG go disburse money say na defense man or disburse money for Akwanga or disburse money for Tambe Ashu. If for example Tambe Ashu na defense man they appoint. Any man. The if he be defense minister, if he be defense advisor, if he be anything, now IG could decide which for come together for talk with them. Then they get a level ground on which way Ayaba to want and me IG seem to Ayaba a problem, you know. So when this particular point don't happen, so don't get this unity. Now Biago the tremble. I want to talk say my brothers and my sisters. Even before you come for Facebook, for cast key other people. You don't one day you think about that man, Sisiku, His Excellency Sisiku. You think about Patasan, where they don't take and lock him for jail. You don't think about those people. No, for the people that say, "Mo come together, me the government, me the Republic fear." You don't ever think about that one. But you then the one where they attack the one. Oh, every tattoo is this. Hey, the one is this one. Now what can you start that? Every day they will kill people for Ganzo. Will they talk only show beasting for Facebook? You see the same people, they still try to do conspiracy theory. This one is powerful. That's why this one is afraid. This one is weak. Let me tell you something. To be honest with you, there is no powerful person in this struggle. All man go under the boss. All we are equal in front of the eyes of ambassador and in front of God. The only thing I say now we will preach that unity. The IG don't be in a long-standing government. We don't need to come together, collaborate, and get unity, and then beat out, beat out completely this enemy where they occupy our land. ARCC is not a village meeting. No, there are reputable people in that group. But the platform has an idea that wants to kill the struggle. That is why I'm pleading on them that they have to come together. They have to come together. We must get that unity for be. I want me come here announce. Unity go bring power. Now I go give you strength, my sister. We must come together. Money not really evil. We don't need for the concentrate, say, oh, we must fund this. Me, all man come as one. Me get stop for kill our people. Me they stop for kill our people completely. People have refused to accept this fact. That we have only but a period victory. Look at this important thing I also want to say to the Southern Cameroon Broadcasting Corporation, SCBC. SCBC must also re-strategize. SCBC, I'm talking today, stop blocking people who are commenting whether negatively or positively. Stop it. That TV, now for Southern Cameroons, Ayabacho get right for use that TV. Oh man, if you stop now for promote IG agenda against La Republic, not for take IG, for use IG, me IG key and other people. No, not be the essence for SCBC. It not ever be possible. SCBC must make sure that not any man I want appeal especially for SCBC. Say any man where they don't block and they unblock the person immediately. Immediately. Give Southern Cameroonians a free share of freedom of speech. Not bring we see RTV can't wait for this place. SCBC, I want me to hear very well. When I get for preach unity, move out this kind of stuff, or for one thing must block man way talk so no, it not going to ever happen for this struggle. We'll be one. The only way for rich boy and for be united. The way we fight, it will take you 200 years. We know rich boy and everybody last rich. They go don't kill all man so flip. Now only stone they go remember for go take their independence. You will go be president where you go get na stones. Now stone go work for ministries. They will kill all man before we become independent. No, we get to change this approach. We must sit down as a team and work as a team. Our SCBC gets to put with the strength, put with through. And when our Secretary for Communication, Chris Anu, come on for talk, we get to respect that fact. Now, Communication Secretary, he get for condemn things and not be right. And he's doing it and I support the approach. But not be particular, say if you talk against say we need strategy, I mean say the attacks on group, no. From today till tomorrow, I know. Listen, I tell you one thing, my brothers and my sisters. You see, like my friend Ashu Kingsley, me and you, they stay almost the same area. When some story go come out, where don't they make, I say, Mr. Ashu Kingsley, that story is a fake story. Don't publish it. I don't verify now the story, the situation. They will discuss all them. Sometimes I go write mark. I will call Tapang and say, Tapang, this story, and so boy, no chance it's not fine. But now they will go Facebook go attack me. But when I reply back, because if they attack me, I overleave them. But when I reply, they say, oh, every tattoo, this is. I need to see the way some man coach me. You go tell some man like Ashu Kingsley say, this story is fake, bro. No, go add your voice or try not be true. Say they don't kill 70 soldiers and for the place or D1 for the place. Now they live together. Before I want turn to man take cup for drink water. What I say the man in hand, it don't go touch crashing grass or anything that makes him say you must post live for Facebook. The next minute, Ashu Kingsley, 170 soldiers killed in Kugwe. How did you verify that news? You write something, you don't even know the spelling for some village. You just write, it is not fair. I will not talk to Eric Saturday. So if all man don't publish lie, I get the fact. Man not publish them because they will see and say, I need to talk against activists. I know if I can't say this thing that Mark said is not right, except that they do an editorial. I only publish my own, and he mentioned no activists in them. That's why they work. Take for example the Nalowa story. Any man be the right you own. Any man you do your own. I not call no my name. I simply talk and say National Telegraph Secret Stringers. Don't talk say Nalowa city Nigeria. Now my own one no. Well, I be sure because my sources don't talk to me or video call a publisher. 90% of the comments they've been are fake. The first comment I remember that Susie Spark. He said fake. Now look at the young day. She said they bunker. That was what she said. Today now she's ashamed because enough stand the fact say the only news might be called I'm fake. Now a story that can be the most reliable and the truth about the matter. My brothers and my sisters, I need to discredit none of our activists. We work together. If we get a platform where if Margarita won't publish on thing, not before Harry will publish first, he go ask say, bro, this story show you come out and how na true say this thing happen Berlin. I'll say yes, master. I don't call the man. I don't call the one and so look at a picture of this, but not publish a picture. Pap, you put them. Mark don't publish. Don't publish. They wait for the story to become powerful. Don't be say you write 100, so man can write 70. At least even figures the one get more disparity. Not be some why some man get 100, some man get 70, some man get 50, then some man can get 17. There is no way, you know. We get for be together, bro. We get for be together. We get for make sure say we preach the unity. We know why you feel say all time when Tapa want do a message, he want only put an alcohol mark because according to you know what I say, hey, Eric Tato didn't know. Now Tapang a problem. That Tapang he did not conspiracy theory. If not be saying me Mark defend, he defend Mark, me accuse. So he just playing around because why don't say and say don't fall, he look play for lean. Now my brother, but they ever advise several they say we get for change the approach. Not give people reason for insult on person for nothing. No man if you can attack Mark Aliba. No one day. You know if you attack Akos anyhow, but Akos do mistake, go tell you say sister, this thing should not correct. Not do so. No be say you discredit other activists. No, that is not my intention. God forbid, I will not do it. I not get power to ban some activists, but that talk about banning was means I was going to caution. It was a literal kind of talk because first and foremost, by virtue of reasoning and common sense, no man of it ban some on Facebook. If me and if I block my heart, if I go ban some person. Now say make our sister regulate the way we try to verify information. It be important. Now talk in way I don't be witnesses to the facts. Some reports and they be alarming way. It not be necessary. You know, you put the talk about followers. If you want followers, you post that kind of thing the way put the Quran like. But I want you to have to give man the truth. You know, so brothers and sisters, we need na unity. We preach na unity. We are problem na unity. Eric Tato, they always preach na unity. I know they for the thing say, oh, the one. The truth na say, comrades, Ayaba, Chobo, and Akwanga, I don't meet them several times. But why they no one cooperate with IG? That's the question. Now, wait to be that interest. I said that the fear say the money donation will still pass to the hand owner. Wait to be really the problem. Now, the question I want me, all we will answer. Why comrade Ayaba? I respect that guy so much. Why? And you now look at what happened in Daddy. It was a mess. But we're not going to keep talking about it because that time that man, that page already passed. We're going to re-strategize. We're going to listen. We're going to re-strategize. And we're going to change the method. You know, the way they approach things. Call a spade. Not talk to man say chair and table are the same because if you don't on top chair, if you don't on top table. No. The fact that they get similar functions. Now say you use one for the wrong purpose. Table not be ever for shidong. The fact that you don't on top table, not mean that they use that. I beg you for God's name. Now we will do online. I will get the power to change these people. Why my brother Mark the talk with two sign up and they say and say the thing Mark the talk is not correct. Why Magnific Council call you need to say no, the group them will not will need for go boy, will need division level, but we need some central command. For division level, some man will they give the divide portions. Why? Too much ego in it. Too much ego. I beg una. I go down, I beg una. Say, move talk for the one leaders. Don't support wrong thing. I congratulate this lady, this chair lady. Beautiful woman. But this people, they want to take woman pray for shit. Because they need to bring everybody on board, not for they appoint this and stuff like that. You know, we need to talk the fact out there. Say it's not working. Come Ayaba, your approach of claiming victories even before things have been done is a crazy thing. It's not working. Tell Comrade Ayaba to his face, let him adjust. Tapang, this is a thing of doing romance with Susie Spark when Susie Spark is against the struggle. It is not working. Tell them to their faces. Una only Eric to get power can take bullets. This cause is sometimes they so I used to look at me anyhow na cause. Oh, I don't put myself in a position where I know all that thing that they tell me listen those comments that you are this, you are proud. I want to talk one important thing before I go continue. So man go tell for Facebook say Eric Tato they always talk about himself. When I start publish, you never see some player account I say I'm Eric Tato. Go to my Facebook account. You will and say I get my profile be very scanty. I don't even write anything. I don't write my work. I don't do this. I just about I don't talk about myself on my profile. That's one reason I'm at home. Now humility. But you know if you tell me say I talk about myself, when you can't insult me for Facebook, you tell me say I be primitive man, I be village man. I go for name countries that I don't go. Now the only way that will beat the people then. So not be about pride, now about being confident about the things you know. Now about being confident. No green no man can Facebook because that point I say one can smell you. So more can tell you don't know if you be na might be criminal, you do this, your paper be doing this. No. List your references. How it be important. How it be important, say how you go do shit don't quite when some man come for Facebook. Of course, someone I just follow me, you know. You don't know me. So someone can like say you might be some very dull student, You don't know me, you go believe him until I can't defend and name my classmates for shut up that man. How you go do can't talk say I be some dull man. Even I be dull man, you can't talk for student. If you did best name for JHS Limbe, someone can't tell you be dull man for Facebook. You stay quiet because you won't be humble. No, not ever green that kind of thing. So my sister then we go for fight out that way people then they make sure say they want only distract you. They want insult you for Facebook. No green me that kind of thing happen for you. If man tells you be poor man, say be some poor man, be beggar, and if not be this struggle, you not live. Quote inside the work and then quote your job in dollars and if possible, pay your pay slip. If some man make noise say you not get document, tell your social security number for America. Even Tapang when I'm a brother. Not tell us a small story, be very important. For tell how my brother na very vicious sport. And he talk today with that fear of favor. Just yesterday, some person can talk say Tapang, if he say Tapang, they don't insult Tapang severally how he born Peking, and because I won't get documents for America. I can't say no, that one a lie. I take my time for explaining the way documentation work for America because I want to defend Tapang. Because you know, sometimes when they truth come from the other person will not be you, it'll be more powerful. Although you find to protect for the truth. When you born Peking for America, you need your documents. Why are the cost Tapang? Una the only one know money status. Why you feel say Tapang don't get document? If you don't get and what be your business, he know what to do. Every time I can insult one person. Now, I'll defend it say those so you born Peking for America, you need your documentation because that Peking automatically the Peking said they become a citizen, but you the papa and the mommy will not become citizen. Would that Peking a citizen? But that Peking for day until 18 years before he fight for you as a papa. That's the truth. So no man not talk about the fact that Tapang born now because one documentation. Tapang is well documented in America. Now why I see Tapang he drive, if he do everything on his own. So me no man make that noise. But this same Tapang be go make conspiracy theory for some group for journalism group. Only the first time America say I can't seek asylum. Just imagine before they go back for Cameroon, post war there for airport, say Tapang I'm for airport. Asylum he go in seek asylum for the country. Now so Tapang and my brother that's what they. Now boy be vicious. He make sure say he smell you by all possible means. But all that don't can defend. But these are things that I cannot talk. But no man don't understand. Not getting no problem with Tapang. That's why they defend it all time from Dr. Fontaine money. And he do and I say now for show some people they say I won't be make they say they good. No, I do it from my heart because you know fit you not fit any time. Don't worry about Susie Park. You not fit block it. So why you go block Susie Park? Susie Park na Lizzie Balakes. Lizzie Balakes na August more the way. Susie Park na comedian. You see, get Gebele he good. Why you go block he good? She say hey more for that. Leaving me the feel free for my page. I go block he good. That na good. He get for the chop grass. He don't chop today. Don't regurgitate. Forget about. I never block Susie Park. You know. So you know at the end of the day, you know if you talk say when Tapang do some mistake, you not quite to order. Tapang be already lost everything. completely as a federalist. But you know, okay, how many of you stay relevant? I come back with my conspiracy theories. If you be true independentists, how you go the romance Susie Spark for Facebook by the attack Franklin Jome way? Susie Spark a case worse for this struggle past Franklin Jome. Why? So we as activism will get for put ourselves together. Why it be say if you I used to call for acts. At the call for acts, say, bro, the information so that's how long that time you have which is the situation. Okay, just wait my check back. I will spend credit, I call until I get confirmation. Okay, I say so I publish. Why it be say every actor is nothing come together? No, because some man say, this thing they so and all of that. No, we'll get for be together. Now Mark Akos will get for preach unity. Why it be say Akosin, my sister, a report it is start with ADF, it end with ADF. That's no report. You should say they just doing a propaganda for one group, not for the struggle. For which reason? You start with ADF, you end with ADF. If they put their number of soldiers we don't claim for your report, say they don't be killed, it be close to 3,000. If you not follow Akosin closely, don't kill 100. This I already said that. So we get to come together. We need that togetherness. If we not join, we'll kill all our people. Maybe we'll stop all this attack on gendarmes and police. For now, we'll re-strategize. Okay. Oh, now all that is we'll go take a cop. You don't know how to go. Oh, want to take boy. We'll kill all gendarmes for this, send them out and self-defense. We'll occupy that territory. We'll host our flag. We'll do hit and run for Douala, for Bolova. We'll do those things there. Make sure so we'll confuse the whole Cameroon. We'll make sure so we'll not get peace for that place. Susie Spark, you are a fool, yeah? I want to tell you today, so I will make sure anytime I will lash you. I don't tell you say the first thing if you want to talk on me, make sure say you go as your baby, you didn't he goat. And not as you get away ugly you. As you feel say you over then person if you can insult people for Facebook. You're an ugly woman. With all due respect, I tell you as a fact. So when people they talk, not the main noise of Facebook, stay quiet because you be Lizzie Valakes. Go look Lizzie Valakes, now the ugliest woman for the world. Now so you did. I like me. I don't even tell mama say me grow mustache because I like girls they get mustache. My sister they get mustache. I like girls and they get beautiful mustaches. And your owner say your owner just na curse na dirty. That's why if you say you dey like hermaphrodite, you dey like hermaphrodite. You can't the talk. When woman want to talk, you the talk. Fool, nyamfuka. It's here. I don't tell you before say Susie Park. Anytime where I can come on for being pastor, we can deliver you. So forget about that topic. So we get to put ourselves together. Make sure say we come as a team. Mark no the talk ARCC for the mob. Can't talk on this side say in a because be platform it won't be objective. Mark the fake objectivity. Not be the time this or play politics. And unfortunately, all of need see that fact. Mark do a wonderful job. A very wonderful job. So you only ask na Eric Tato why don't can come one can fight. Why no you should ask Tapang and Mark them too? Because Tapang the romance of Facebook. You know if ask him. They might go for ask him after Tapang can fight. Nyam fuka. Small all your time for your life, you know what he hair net. Idiot. So as I be talk before that Lizzie Valakes can intervene, I call her Susanna with you. We have fake name. You know, why we not call our people together? Talk say no. Me Mark, not talk ARCC on this side. Talk the one for this side. You know, it shows you get some interest. Call what people say, bro, we should come together. There is nothing about a Mark said somewhere that the ARCC until they blame JK for posting screenshots. I not see where to be wrong for man for post screenshot for any screenshot for any WhatsApp group. When a group, when not be so when a huge group, except in a kind of technical agenda group like how IG. If you leak discussion about IG, then that one a problem. Or a leak discussion of ARCC a problem. But it's different from big group like journalists of integrity or some big group, some man do some correction. If it's screenshot in the public, but me I need screenshot, I need to do that kind of thing. I only screenshot and why I do for my Facebook wall. Where some man don't comment for just keep as evidence. Not be say I know if you screenshot your private discussion on me. So you know if you can attack Joshua on a JK and they try to make they say one damn play the young man they say no one calling him. You know one calling him why they talk about how you can write up your wall. Oh no try for the make all that kind of hypocrisy. Mark, you don't get status of this revolution. Stay on the track because except say people don't know that kind of agenda where they bring up one make they say one confuse people. No, don't do that. If you do tomorrow and wait when you do video you talk I'll come back and can counteract you, but not be important because we'll keep on talking one and the same thing. You must preach unity. You must make sure say make all man All man come together, preach out till the last drop of their blood. Not to say, hey, I listen and check for IG. No. Check for IG and me and you, we activism for put IG on track. Not be another group. Another group na rival. Rival, they different with you check. Need John Fundi not be BI check. Now BI rival. They check for Need John Fundi and BI and journalism. They play Need John Fundi play letter X to check government, but the actual appropriate thing na rival. So we must make sure say we come together by all costs. Completely. If we not come together, we have failed. I want to tell you the truth. Say, we this face nana Pyrrhic victory. I reach to Tapang every time. Tapang and I will talk every time. But it doesn't change. Sometimes you need for help for talk, and the only kind of platform in this. You know, when I normally say Tapang and I, they smell people all the time. He always want to make sure say he ridicule you, he write any lie if he write about you all the time. And so Tapang they do, which is not proper. And I think that was someone I know and point out. It's not proper. We got to be very, very careful. Very, 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 very careful. So the truth, I say, we already get a lot of casualties. We not continue hit and run for our territory. We do not hit and stand and capture. That the new strategy that hit, stand, capture. The new strategy. No more hit and run. All man come for one group. We need unity. Unity must be as much as possible. The new activism report more of civilian casualty for the world. Report more of the houses that they burn up. Report more of our self-defense boy that they kill them. So that means the way no say that the key we want to try to defend ourselves. Report more of our own casualties. Forget about. Look at Tangaji, a document where they killed 20-something soldiers. Very intelligent man. Very intelligent. He yet talk anything say destroy houses someplace. No. He tell we say, would you use back them for do this, do this? You see the position where people he not ever talk say they don't kill king so one civilian. No. But every day for we when they go kill we no money report or the one report that say they don't kill 200 soldiers. Will not do that. You need to help the struggle. Show we as a vulnerable people to the international community. Show we as a vulnerable group. We are only fighting for our rights. They are killing us. Tell the world. Tell the world that is the problem we are facing. We must make sure say we come together as a team. I beg una. You be a Yabatri supporter. Tell Yabatri bro. I feel say when she Erita to talk, it makes some sense, my brother. Move forget these things. Say, we will go join together. We're not there for hit and run again. We more hit, we stand, then we capture. That's so they fight war. Where yes, they don't capture Benghazi or don't capture this side. And I say the people they approach. CNN the report now is you must stand, fight, capture some place, host your flag. Okay, we don't move, we start government for the. Now for the international community is that recognized. We must hit, and capture. We must hit, stand, and fight. So, because we don't say hit and run not being a bad approach. We not be no say, what would the hit run? Government will can't destroy our villages. We not be no that one. So, we have to change the approach now. We have to change our approach. Having said that, as we want hit for stand for capture, we have to activate the Ambazonia Independent Court. We come together. Put this court in place. When we don't cut like 3, 4, 5 people that hand, game will change. Government know to get enough information for can attack our people. Government know to get people to go office. Teachers know to go school. So that time we'll already kill the government completely. So I come today for preach unity, for tell Ambazonia that I love Ambazonians. I love Ayabatro. I love everybody. But we must come together because ARCC to an extent it causes serious distraction. And we must make sure, say, we talk every time only about unity. If we not unite, we not fit ever succeed. Me no man no fool. No one day. A house divided, it can never win anything. You not fit ever tie one bond with one hand, not one day. Me no man no fool you. No matter what, if we continue for the approach, you go take with a lifetime. Then they will not kill all man for Grand Zero. In fact, sometimes we wish Grand Zero will turn against we. So we'll get enemy now when and beer our people there for Grand Zero. Even we do see me no man no ever no hear no proper. Me no man no fool say elephant big. That tapang foolish talk they can't talk. If you say sometime if they say me go buy foolish pot level, market go buy and bazuna them. No ever hear that kind of talk. No every elephant way big, it get chief hunter. When I take that pot and go draw cycle so and stand so. If you move, elephant will see you. We don't know that elephant story, how they put all man for ring. Tapang no, it is keep those important parts and because one push a theory for fine way, you know, for be relevant. For talking the way it be like say over no for talking thing, you know, but that's been canny. Tell people the truth. For elephant, that big elephant, so Monday na chief hunter, where they go draw cycle, put on man for center, say, stand so, not shake Roseby or whosoever, not shake a mascot, stand for this place so. Make sure say no, because if you shake, when I shoot the elephant, if you shake, after I don't shoot the elephant now, that chief hunter will come down, after they go divide them. No way, no day, will if you ever win the fight will not be united. Code me anywhere. See, until we be united, we'll meet together for some point for agree as self-defense, all man for self-defense. If we not agree, work as a team, my brother and my sister, they will not go ever. So me say, they go kill always so fake. We will not get 1 inch of territory. They will kill all free. So, me no man no fool you say division level, senior prefect or level prefect must divide portion for people. Then they go check them. It must they so. So forget about all these conspiracy theories and way people they bring that up and down for remain relevant. Me, I know even Mark is doing a great job. Mark the only problem I say now this thing where it come for one make let's say one make corny between IG and ARC instead for call for unity it make so two side collapse. I don't tell it several even group they say Mark you be two side collapse. You can say no now because say it be platform. Which kind of platform? Platform you don't know what for tell people about the truth about this particular unity issue. You are doing a fabulous job, but people they don't deny say they don't want they good me and the fear no man. Maybe some people they fear say you they are fake profiles and all those fake profiles not rather you are fake profiles. All those fake profiles they come over your post, they will come for they can attack them. Me and the fear fake profiles. And if you attack for social media because attack for social media and for social media. It not get nothing. He play no role for my family and for my life. It not get nothing for do. You comment 2 billion comments on my wall. You need add $1 for my bank account. You know. If you don't want to listen, please exit. You don't simply just go out. Need the eye reduce. Perfect. That's what they do. I'm not make noise. I need block man. You get the right to go out if you don't want to listen. They talk some very serious to a concerning struggle. So person will only want to distract person. You know. So we must come together as a team. And today. I pray, say, we will look up to Patterson, to His Excellency Siseko, all Manchum BBC, say, na so the brother they be one time. That way consortium there for all man the support consortium, they one food, everything with the worker, you know. And of course, you know, will be the go fine, will not get point. But today, because say they don't every day when Tapa want on team will come back for consortium. It doesn't work like that. Stop all this rubbish, my brother. Stop all this rubbish. All of this rubbish must stop. And we must stand firm. All activists that get the power for call out and condemn fake profiles, they try to attack others. Person like this Siri and the rest, attack John and all of that. Their own point I say they make sure say the Siri go attack Ayaba, attack Eritato, attack the one because the point I say he won't make sure say me discredit all man with all this struggle. That is their aim. That is what they are paid for. You know. That is what they are paid for. All social media activism must come together. We will not report exaggerated stories. We will not need for no 7 minute soldiers a killer. But if I for report exactly the story so that the best way for that environment may trust you. We'll make sure say we talk more on our casualties. When you want to report, make sure say you put date for your report. Now date to authenticate your story. The reason why the name communities, some people can say you name communities in your report, they expose them. No. How you go do expose communities where soldiers already go there, they don't already rate those areas and that the environments. That area get due them, they get stop delegate. They know all the place. You the report in a neighboring community so that any man will doubt that story, call some man will come out this place, ask if that thing happen. You must know if they name 5 villages, you must know some person for there. Tap base for know the truth. It will also help international community for get documentation, for get geography, so no detail man talk on a concrete thing. Because you get for report facts, things they be accurate. Or they be real, I beg. I need them. Preach unity for the leaders. Preach unity, you know. Preach only unity. I congratulate all man in effort. I congratulate all man in effort for this struggle. Suppose say Cyril Nancy na Tapang. I don't even care for no. Tapang he normally get a fake profile. That don't be any of my business. I don't care. He let they attack me here, but I don't talk the point. And all man. So as I be the talk, I pray for short leave for this trouble. And the only way we will go, the only way out, why we say the only way out, so man say over no. Only way out na just for talk saying that your own proposal. You know me say you or know what you want to talk. The only way out na unity. From day one, I will talk about the Ambazonian independence flight. I still talk today say the reason why we're there for this level, we don't get no amount of devastation now because of disunity, because of actions. And if we don't get the courage for say, oh, come on, my brother, you are doing a wonderful job. I respect you, but bro, this your approach is still not working well for us. This is your approach of a commander coming on Facebook every time and saying that they have to do this block by block, all this, form this, it's not helping. Forget about all these likes and this thing that you see on Facebook. I can do my post and I have 30 likes. It's not a representation of how many people follow me. It is not. It's a representation of what you like. And sometimes you don't like the truth, and so you don't like the post. Please, let's talk unity. Call people to their names. Take comrade, my brother Ayabacho. This thing I have said is not correct, brother. We don't need to attack these gendarmes again in our area. It's easy to move our fighters across the Mongol. Kill 2 gendarmes, destabilize the country. Destabilize it because we are at war. We have to make sure that it's part of self-defense. Preemptive, stop them from their side. If you do that self-defense act in Littoral, let me say they will destroy somewhere in Douala. So I beg in God's name, may we call for peace. When our activism do mistake, whether na mark or na tap and tell Mark say Mark wrong. I want today tell Mark say Mark, brother, stop the collection of money in your name and claiming that you are giving to self-defense group. It is not proper. If we get all a central fund, for example, as we don't know IG for long, say they put all the money for IG account. People they make proposal, me IG change website or stuff like this. Me IG look into it. If we put all the money, they will assign money. It's okay. Come here, Yaba. You there for this place. Take this amount. You bring results. They will check you after that, audit you. But not some situation one man will take money, do this, it not be fair. And when you see no, when someone can tell you saying that because say you the jealous of somebody do Sunday offering. How that Sunday offering concern me? Now my church or now church or the money go for my coffers. I simply don't say be rational for we Ambazonians for see the way we move forward. No, because say you want to make sure say because say you there against the person. No, not be against. I also seize the opportunity for call all activists. Say some of our friend for Belgium, UFA. Normally I used to get a difficulty for pronouncing the name, but I'll get that name right. If we don't create some platform for all Ambazonian activism and journalism, but you see, I say increasingly, my brother Tapang, you always try for one distinguish. Say, he Mark and Alcoson, they be the highest sport. They're not here for no man. But unfortunately, Tapang is always the way it is. We don't pass that level, and we will make sure. Say we come together as a team. When I be talk on my show or on my post, I was talking only one thing. We must preach unity. We see IG now the ultimate government, but IG not be bigger than any man for ARCC. And in that case, ARCC get for move because IG don't move out before Comrade Jennifer once that can say don't talk with Dr. Sako and all of that. His Excellency Siseko and even Dr. Sako don't talk to all these people. Ask them why we not come together. Maybe we not kill ourselves because of the support group with the key all man. Like my brother Comrade Akwanga, he village na Bechati for the BLM. He village there in peace. Not be say them go attack. He get Comrade Akwanga get gendarmerie pose with 10 gendarmes or so. At least as a warlord, if we start for the area, for move that gendarme, then when they destroy a village, we not succeed for defend them. They go understand how we talk. No matter what tribalism, no. Now say we put ourselves. We got to get empathy. Empathy where you put yourself for some person position. Not only the thing about say the car for Facebook they make noise and then you need to know say person for Kembong the suffer. Person for Kembong the suffer. I beg in Jesus' name. I beg we must put ourselves together. I don't talk about our TV station, SCBC. say immediately unblock any man with unblock, immediately unblock the person immediately. That one a firm request from me. That negative comment is not getting nothing for do. They need to change nothing. When some negative comment come, if you attack them, attack the comment. Attack the comment very well and squarely. I beg, make we join hands with IG today. My stance and believe in the IG, and I say with unity, IG. Now my stance now, as I will talk, I will declare my new stance from the IG. My stance now, I say with belief, my belief for IG, and I say with unity and absolute collaboration, IG will take you, will see boy in no distant time. So me, IG work for incorporate all groups, especially through the self-defense platforms. And I beg, say, no matter what happen, make comrade Ayaba, they make they relax their heart small. Forget all things. Whether how they form the group, they conclave, not be fine. Sometimes they give just for the sake of the Amazonian people. If really we're there for this struggle now for these people, then we'll get for talk, say, hey, oh man, 80% they cry unity, 90%. I'm not sure say them at 10% corner me, they advise me correctly. It means that people they get motive. Man, look the population, the voice of the people. Vox populi, vox dei. Voice of the people is the voice of God. I'll forget about this, my 10 people on my corner. This is my supporters. Man, move to the bigger population. The day way Dr. Sako and Komre Ayaba and the rest of the ARC and the IG, they will announce unity. Bro, it will be bad for La Republic. It will be bad for La Republic. So please, we pray for unity. We pray for unity so that our leaders can be easily released. Somebody is saying something important, that unity will come when we empty their pockets. Maybe that's the reason that. So if people they stop for contribute, maybe it will help. But we know if we stop now, people they need the money for keep other things them going. So pray, I beg una, for God's name, I beg. Make we forget anything. All the differences come together. Work together as an interim government. May the world to see will get reason for actual independence. With this kind of fighting, so international community, they follow the fighting on Facebook. I beg una in Jesus' name. We need this unity. I beg other activism. May they come, may they not talk one side with a mob, claim objectivity. No, may they talk the fact. Objectivity never talk the fact. Say, wait to be unity. How if we go around here if all man come together? Not because we only talk to you, go favor you so that you go remain for do some particular activity where I don't know which kind of benefit you get and they no. I beg una in Jesus' name. You see how they talk, some places they can't say act is the way forward. So one they can't say IG is the way forward. No man is the way forward. Everybody is the way forward. And we must unite. And we say that first come, first serve. So we will get for normally. Make sure, say we call all our leaders to book. We must make sure, say, we call all our leaders to book. One do hit and run, we therefore run, go on a electoral, and then make sure say we do the activity effectively. For our side here, we cut hand for people that they disturb struggle where they give government fuel and power. You come, the people they can make like, if you go like this he goat of a girl, this hemophobia, I was still calling him one last time Susie Park. If you cut it two-handed, you know the type that nonsense of Facebook, it will always solve big problem. Because they disturb the struggle. Any man who is not with you is an enemy. Is giving the government power. You know, these are people like Sujipak, the way they do things them. You know, when they romance with you or other activities on Facebook, they get some kind of technical thing that they sell it out. We have to be careful. We have to be very careful. We have to be very careful. Sujipak, thunder don't fire you now. Why that way you come out with the goat, the man goat, he goat. Now why that? You know, see the thunder don't fire you enough. So you not even for bother. You get correct thunder. Your own thunder fire will come on na Pernambuco. Very dangerous thunder. You never hear about Pernambuco thunder. You just can't make your head. You just like he goat. And now I see woman where you get face of goat. So you know that is a situation. So I beg, unity is the only thing I'm begging. We must preach that particular thing. I congratulate Come Ayaga for Come Ayabacho and the rest and Come Akwanga for the strikes. Me they remember so we get refugees. Me they remember say we get a lot of things that we do together. So the only way for we to succeed now for come together as a team. So I will end for you because I don't want to talk plenty. I don't really, take a lot of time. And it's good to end at this juncture. God bless we, and only one goal for we to solve this problem. Now unity. And unity, and unity, and unity. That is all we need. I don't care who weak, but one thing we need now probably, for all our front line and come together. I not going to talk no more than that. Call me anywhere. I don't call for absolute unity, and I will continue to call for. Each time when some activists talk for one side more, pity, say bro, Mark, this thing a lie. Not only say act this. No come because if we don't come all way together, Mark tapang me, how we tapang the way delay because na man way it like clock, it go tick tick. Sometimes once you don't pass this side, they no they steady, they like wind vane, they only turn up and down na confusion. So now I don't talk, hey, I listen to power monger today, oh, chair lady did this and stuff like that. So we have to move away from that part. Anything we Secretary Chris talk, he talk the communication officer, we have to an extent respect them. But we do put our opinions and I see the reactions. So no. ARCC not be fake people. There are real people in that group, people of substance. Not to say they're fake, na lie. At another one. We need a unity. Not caution my back. I'm not there forever say, I have a show fake her. Come I have a fake her. Or this new lady, Jennifer High fake. They're not fake, now people. Now just see the approach and the raison d'etre for that act. They not be something to be according to population view. Those people the guy for do that view, but we get to think about the bigger population. Thank you very much. I'll leave all man. God bless you now. Continue for type strategy. There is no witchcraft. The only witchcraft na person like you, Momsi, where they corner come ayaba, but you don't see the need for telling the truth about the facts that we need unity. The only witchcraft na person like you, where you go for Congress, you go take pictures of door and corridor, you post it, you don't go get meeting. Now for deceive population. Sometimes I don't know time man talk when I live and match don't quite. I respect you as a woman. You are doing a great job in this revolution, but not cross your line. Always try to be objective. Now put it on now. And my brother Waters Kayakon, if he talks no comrade CIC, we see if I'm unite. But now also we not they talk say we cannot unite with the IG. We cannot do the IG on point. They say we can never unite with ARCC because anytime some person won't go for. Now they corner them immediately. Now they preach all the kind hate, but now you come for Facebook can make sense. Me, I not be that kind of person. Una must make sure say una help una leaders them for direct them. I don't do my best. You know very well when I met with Komarayaba. And for her, I talk only about unity. Waters go bear witness, you go bear witness. Dr. Sako go bear witness. I mean, His Excellency Siseko. Now I talk no day say, oh, these people are like this. No, I preach unity for all man. I preach unity for all man at all time. So what you will need now unity, Momsi or the corner Momsi waiting. Not be about witchcraft. Now you the one bring witchcraft because you don't deny or realize the fact that people need for be united. You all on a problem and say on one being and say, oh, the one, and the confused leaders. Napoleon are the confused leaders. Nobody not the preach hate. Nobody need preach hate. Now una the confused leaders. If somebody preach hate, show the man love. Show return love with hate. So that the man will be ashamed. Return the love we hate. Okay. So, God bless you, my sisters, my brothers. God bless everybody and all of that. But before I go, I will just talk to this one lady again. This my momsy of again. Why should the definition of jealousy? If they want, okay, momsy, I want to ask you, in the America, they want jealousy, you get how much? Because some people probably jealous you. If you get money, you for don't give like $1 billion, like $1 million, we just fund the struggle for so you over there so that some man want to go say the jealousy because don't give $1 million. But you there behind to see how people make contributions. Then from there you know how to walk away. You come and you say that the jealous man, jealous people they beg. All when beggars, they beg money for put them for fund revolution. Say they get waiting. People they get the money they need can't talk shit. So don't come and talk about jealousy because people they get jealousy they need to put they want the jealous people they do go for me. You do go for me, they jealous you for waiting. Why they jealous of me, you do go for me? You know. So back, my wife na Kombe now we name that. You don't know nothing, you never write nothing. All you try to write na pidgin or Spanish or na wait till write to. Why I used to write, so Momsi, with due respect, take my talk into consideration, and God bless you. I talk for you as a sister, not for kill you. Now make me realize the fact, say, if we work as a team, not before this divide and rule when I can push on Facebook and conspiracy theories, So go back and preach to your commander and say, I know say the watch, say Eric Tato don't talk, say unity being necessary. I'll preach to for IG, and I will publish the list of people that attend this all self-defense summit for America, so that we'll know who the no one unity, not be competition, but we need all man to be on board. So I want back say, maybe we stop talking things that are not right. When you come and talk about witchcraft and all of that, loser, all of that shit, there is only one loser. Only one loser here is a person who types loser, who does not know that a conscience matters, that they are killing people, and people have to change their approach. You have to change your approach, Mom. See, it's not about hate talk. You're the one who is preaching hate talk here. Witchcraft na hate talk. When you type witchcraft by your comment, have a woman like you is supposed to be civil and mature for contribute. You can't type witchcraft for Facebook. You type loser, you type jealousy. All that talk of people, the way they be mean and they be scattered brained in their hearts. They be feeble. They not get a strong way for argument. Prove your point. Not matter about jealousy. Why they jealous who? For which reason? You get how much? Where they jealous you? I mean, if some problem happen, if you move $100,000 put on top table, you put a move go move no so don't get contribute. Put us a place. Then we put a stop for contribute. For sure they jealous you. So please let's stop all this shit, man. All right. So just be on your path and preach unity. I beg you, sister. I beg. All right. So we therefore be together and together, Momsi. Take it home, and no, Momsi is not a fake woman. I know that girl personally. I've met her. She's a strong activist. She's not fake. She's very vibrant, eloquent girl. I know her personally. She's a great woman. But let her preach unity. So it not be fake. It's a very great woman. All right. Thank you now. God bless you now. Okay. We'll talk this issue next time. We'll continue for preach unity. Bye bye.